In this presentation, you're going to learn about the top 5 reasons why a good content marketing strategy is a must in this day and age. Let's begin. Number 1. It establishes your authority. When you're publishing high-quality content on a regular basis, you eventually establish yourself as an authority in your industry. People flock to your website because your content helps them in one way or another. Number 2. It creates a strong brand identity. If you've got a good content marketing strategy in place, then you'll be all over the web. Your target audience will encounter your brand frequently. They'll become familiar with the type of content you publish, and you'll become known as one of people's go-to brands in your industry. When you build a strong brand, you'll be able to convert your casual readers into avid fans. Number 3. Builds trust among your target audience. People love authority. With a successful content marketing strategy in place, you'll be viewed as an authority by your audience. You'll be seen as a brand they can trust. So when you recommend products or services to your audience, they'll be more willing to follow your advice. They trust you, so you better make sure you don't waste that and do something terrible to lose that trust. They can easily turn the tables on you and post negative reviews on the internet. Number 4. Generates leads and sales. Generating leads and sales is hard if you don't have a reputable brand or name in the industry. With content marketing, you can establish your brand as a trustworthy authority. If you carry out your business with integrity, then you can easily generate leads and sales. People will trust whatever you tell them to do, provided it somehow solves a pain point for them. Number 5. Higher return on investment, ROI, than traditional advertising. There are many different ways to advertise your brand on the internet. You can do the pay-per-click, PPC marketing, search engine marketing, SEM, banner ads, social media ads, and more. Note that with any of these paid methods, you still need to generate your content, so you need to factor that into the cost too. However, with content marketing, you're essentially only spending money on getting your content produced. The good news is your content will continue to live on the internet long after it's produced, which translates to really excellent ROI.